So, dear colleagues, I invite you to come here to the beautiful Budapest to have something unique, which is a very big dental expo with a lot of topics and high quality lectures with 4 different rooms. So, hello, I am Jordi Manauta. I live and work in Italy, even though I'm Mexican. I am the author of the books Layers 1 and Layers 2 from Quintessence, and I am honored to be a speaker in this DentalWorld Congress 2023. My lecture was about composite in anterior teeth. I tried to give all the participants this insight about how to do class 4, class 3, class 5, how to close diastemas. So my aim was to give them tips that they can take home immediately in order to apply them to their patient of tomorrow, if they want. So it was quite successful. The room was full. There was like 550 people, and the audience was really nice. So DentalWorld Congress for me was a really nice surprise. I have many colleagues, attendants and lecturers that have come here to enjoy a unique atmosphere, because having 4 different topics with lecturers from all over the world and a big dental expo, I think it's you cannot miss this. And of course, when you're done here, you have beautiful Budapest to sightseeing. So I really recommend you to come and not miss what these guys are doing with this Congress. So, dear colleagues, I invite you to come here to the beautiful Budapest to have something unique, which is a very big dental expo with a lot of topics and high quality lectures with 4 different rooms and topics. I was blessed to do 1 lecture in the Aesthetic Dentistry Congress, and so hoping to see you in the future with several hands-on, several lectures. We will hold a hands-on as well.